Today let's check out another beautiful book. This is Bharat Ke Veer Alive in Our Hearts. This is a special issue released by Amma Chitrakatha. This book contains unknown stories of valor, bravery and sacrifice from the Central Armed Police Forces. This is a book sponsored by Dalmia Bharat Group. This is a beautiful paperback book introducing the Central Armed Police Forces. You can see the front cover here, beautifully designed front. This book is a small sized book, around 60 to 70 pages in it. This book costs around 150 rupees. On some of the online platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, and also the official website ammachitrakatha.com, you can find this book for a lot cheaper. On the back they have even introduced some of the things about the book here regarding Central Armed Police Forces, that is CAPF, also known as Paramilitary Police Forces, which is usually the second line of defense. And they have also introduced about Bharat Ke Veer Fund, which is initiated by the Honorable Home Minister Shri Rajnath Singh to enable civilians to contribute to the families of CAPF martyrs. And this book, the graphic novel, is introduced by the Dalmia Bharat Group, and also the trust fund for CAPF martyrs are also introduced by this group here. Let's check inside. And here are the contents or index this book introduces. So this book contains about Assam Rifles, Border Security Force, Central Industrial Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, National Disaster Response Force, National Security Guard, and lastly Sashastra Seema Bhal. So these are the things that this book introduces, a total of 8 things about Central Armed Police Forces. A beautiful book to know about the Central Armed Police Forces. And here are some of the introduction by the people sponsoring this book. A beautiful graphic novel for ordinary citizens like us. The first one is Assam Rifles. They have given with a symbol here what it stands for and all, their icon. And here on the next page they have introduced what are the various tasks that these forces conduct or have, and a small story about their forces, Border Security Force, and here the task done by them in peacetime and also war time, beautifully introduced for normal citizens who don't know about Central Armed Police Forces. So this is a wonderful book to introduce patriotism among children and for normal citizens to know about paramilitary forces in India. We usually tend to forget about these things. So it's a very good introductory book, and also about trust fund, which helps citizens like us to help the families of these martyrs who have fought for us and protected us and also this country they have sacrificed their life for. And they have also given introduction about how we can donate to this fund. So this is a beautiful special issue by Amar Chitrakarta, that is Bharat Ke Veer. Please subscribe to my channel for more such amazing books. See you next time.